Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Kesor ka jela ubkmi ikatna jengok kai perthai ba polling do hakasan trik rempang arajar pausan uloong bagajing Pynkynriah ki Nongdie Madan kendang Shimpor nama gajing wan no jangki Elekshon ki Autonomous District Council hari lom khasi bat hari lom jaintia haba keren jikilal pathai kubor ubak pol uloong ru nama gajing wan ki Elekshon kumta ki officer ki tna trika mapher ke sarkar kin habanet ban pendap shwa ika kamram Elekshon kin thopru wadu sumbut minang ba ubkmi ikatna penroisar.
In view of the elections to the autonomous district councils, a lot of our officials, government officials, their services have been pressed into election duty, and also ministers, including Deputy CM in charge of urban affairs, whose department is directly responsible to this particular issue of relocating of hawkers. So that is why it is taking more time. But as he has shared, and I have shared with you too last time, the process will be on, and it's just a matter of time now because we have also gone ahead with the identification of new locations for these hawkers, beginning with the Kandailat area first. As I kept telling you, the associations have already been part of the process. We have been in constant discussions with them for the past 1 year. It's difficult to please everybody, but for us, first and foremost, is the interest of all citizens, all users of roads and footpaths. Therefore, we should be able to ensure that the interest of one section of society should not stand in the way or impede or clash with the interest of another section of society. We already have clearly defined our goals, action plans. But for details on the matter, the Department of Urban Affairs is the nodal department, and they will be in a better position to answer your queries.